Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another tips and tricks tutorial video brought to you by Freelancer School. My name's Taylor Keene, and today I'm going to show you how we post our YouTube videos with ChatGPT in the sense of using it, making a title and description, how we are exporting our captions for our YouTube videos, how we are exporting our transcripts to also put into ChatGPT to help us optimize our title and description, and also the settings when you're posting, like are ends from end screens to are you choosing the correct category, and basically doing all you can do to get your video found, which can be helpful if you're a freelancer or creator or whatever, as far as if you're posting to YouTube. So I wanted to start with this, and we can just hop right in. If you're in ChatGPT, create a new chat. Make sure you choose create, or sorry, you're gonna maybe write create SEO optimized YouTube title and description with your title name. That's not this prompt, but AIPRM is an overlay that allows me to like save lists of prompts basically. Um, so I'm gonna just add it says add a keyword or title right there. So I'm gonna add that in and have it create our title and description. While that's happening, we're going to move into Premiere Pro. All I did was create a project. You're going to add your video into this left-hand sidebar over here. I drag and dropped it into my timeline sequence. Here I am. If you can't find the window, make sure you click Window, Workspaces, All Panels. It's usually in this Edit panel. And then also you can click Text as well to bring it up. But we're going to go create captions real quick and go create captions from Transcript. Choose subtitle default. Right now we're just going to go with default options so that you can get in the habit of actually getting this done. You can also, if you're a little more advanced one, choose your preferences. You can do things with character length, minimum duration in seconds, gap between captions, things like that. So I'm going to create my captions. All my captions will be up here. You'll be able to see, and we can make these a lot better, but for right now, we're just going to leave it. If you have spelling errors, you can manually fix them. We can talk about ways you can do that a lot faster in future videos, but for right now, we're just going to keep it moving. I'm going to export this to a SRT file. Boom. Save it. Then I'm going to go and click Transcript, and I'm going to export this to a text file, save it. Then I'm going to go open that text file. Then I'm going to copy paste this into ChatGPT. Say below is a transcript of my video. I guess I could say, please optimize and description based on the transcript. All right, boom. So this should at least help you get. It always says Joanne Taylor Keene. Spells my name wrong. But you can use this to at least help with what your video is going to offer, like so that it's not just so generic when you might not be going that in depth. Like my videos are quick videos usually, not like a freaking massive concept overview for an hour. So here we are. Boom, it's making this for us. Awesome. Cool. Now, when we go post the video, we'll pull this first. Where did it go? Right here. So now I'm going to take this, paste it. Let's get my title first. And kind of go down here. We'll double check that this all looks right. I think that looks good. I need to go get our school.com community thing, and I will put that in there as well. And just for quickness. Let's do that. And then what you're going to do is you can choose your thumbnail. You can upload a thumbnail if you want to. If you need to pull a screenshot from your video, you can use that little camera icon to export your frame in Premiere Pro. If you have like a certain frame you want to use that's not an auto one populated, then you can choose your playlist. This is probably going to be Asana. Do I have an Asana playlist? Nope. So I'm going to create a new playlist right here. We'll call it Asana Tutorials. Asana Basics. Boom. And so now we got it in there. And this is going to be the most important part coming up is we're going to keep scrolling through here. It's not made for kids. I don't want to restrict it though. Show more. No paid promotions. Add a tag. I'm going to put English United States here. Then I'm going to, you don't have to, you can do none, but, or you could do this content has never aired. And then what I'm going to do is allow video and audio remixing. When you choose your category right here, I'm doing educational video. This is a how-to video, I believe, real life application. Yeah, how to use the inbox feature in Asana. Then right here it says help learners find explanations of how to solve your problems. Right at the time the explanation starts and the question that is answered for each time code and problem must be their own line, for example. So what I just do every time is just copy and paste this right here. And we'll go back to ChatGPT. And I'm going to say, Google asked me to do this, ... Now you can see it's answering those questions for me based upon my transcript and where everything is actually in my video. And I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come back here and then I'm going to paste into this. United States is my academic level. We're going to go beginner. And then we're going to go next. Then I'm going to click add subtitles. Upload file with timing. Go find your wherever you saved them. Mine's right here. It's that SRT file again. I am going to click done. Then I'm going to add an end screen. I already have a previous one, so I'm going to click it. If you want to adjust it, make sure you click on each video. You can change the playlist or the video, and then you can click save again. And then you can click next. Next. I'm going to do a public video. So on a basic level, that's how I publish video very quickly. I hope you enjoyed. Ask questions about anything you want to know about below. We have a free community on school.com right now. It's called Freelancer School. What do you know? And we appreciate you all tuning into these videos and trying to deliver value for all you wonderful freelancers or business owners out there, creators, whoever you are. Have a great day.